Howdy guys, welcome to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel. And today's a special one. We've got a special guest here, all the way from Japan. We've got Sammit.
Hey everybody, what's up? Hello.
And we're going to be throwing him in the pink R32 for our Friday night drifts. I'm going to be doing some testing at the Barrel Wagon and those off-throttle anti-lag. And I'll be banging some walls and sparks in the 33. But we've got Sammit here. So, hello.
Hello.
Welcome. Welcome to Australia.
Thank you. It's been a while.
You've never been here before, have you?
No, I've never been here, no.
You didn't come from Australia, right?
No, didn't, no.
Yeah. You excited to drive this?
Very excited to drive this. I'm very excited to drive this. This perfect grade 4 auction car.
Yeah,
never been drifted or beated on before. You know, no dents, no scratches.
Zero damage.
No time off.
We've done a full report of the no damage. So when it comes back.
Jade. Yeah, really excited to drive this thing and not damage it at all.
I'm going to teach him how to drive. That's the focus of him coming here.
Yeah.
I'm his tutor for this trip in his undamaged car. So there's not a whole lot of truth going on so far, but we are going to have some fun. We've got him over here. Yeah. It's looking like a big turnout tomorrow. We're going to shoot some sparks and off-throttle anti-lag. Oh, I can't forget. So we've also got an awesome car that we're going to throw you in as your sort of rental car to get around to and from the track, from here and whatnot, and that is the AU! Oof! Jassie's favourite cars. We've got this, he's excited. So we've got this monstrosity. Also done a full report on this thing, it's perfect. The motor is 100% not leaking any oil or eating oil, and that turbo's factory. You can take yourself and your lovely wife in this very safe car back to your accommodation and to the track tomorrow. The AU is the future of drift at the moment. The cheapest car.
The future looks bad.
The future's not looking all that bright. This is the pinnacle. This is Jesse's favourite car, and Jesse's going to cut some laps in it. And I think we'll have to throw you on track as well.
Yeah, I would love to feel what this thing feels like sideways. Like, it just seems like a good time.
Cheap funds.
How much did this whole thing cost?
It was about $50, I think.
$50?
$50. Yeah. We just did a full build breakdown, and it was way more than I would have ever wanted to spend on an AU.
He went home at night contemplating his life decision.
I already regretted on how much I spent on it when I first bought it, because it comes with this brand new disc and brand new wheel bearing, brand new clutch. It's got knuckles and stuff, and then it came in, it was like in primer and all broken. Door locks didn't even work. So I got ripped. That was like before, like, you know, all those price jumps. So in the grand scheme of things, it wasn't crazily priced, but you know, for the sake of YouTube, we've spent some money to make it nice for the viewers at home. And
nice.
Real nice.
Oh, the ratchet strap battery. Love that.
Yeah, it's very safe.
Yeah.
So you can feel safe.
No, for sure.
And if you don't get there, just please call me.
Yeah.
Oh, we're here and it's cold. Of course it's raining here. It's raining nowhere else. How was the AU?
AU was great.
You wouldn't drift it for the vlog?
I just don't know if the rear wheels are spinning or the clutch is slipping when it loads up. It pings so bad, man.
It started breaking up.
Yeah, it started breaking up bad. But no, dude, it's fun. I passed some fans on the way here. They were freaking out and like this yellow Subaru and loving the dose. It was good.
Yeah, fat dose. Fat dose.
It is fat. It's very good. It makes all the good noises. That's what I was saying. That, it just drives like you'd expect it to. That's all.
Sluggish.
Yeah.
Hope it's not breaking up, because it used to break up really bad when it got hot. And I changed the crank angle sensor and thought I fixed it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just send it, man. It'll be right. Like, the faster it sends a rock through the block, rod through the block, the sooner you can do something cooler with it. You know?
That's it. RV.
RV.
It'll rage. All the YouTubers that'll rage. I found a sedan last night for nice and cheap, so that we can save the manual out of that for the auto sedan, and maybe we can keep an intake in that one, so we don't upset everyone with the RV. Just can't get him out of it. Yeah, you can't get him out of it. As soon as he gets the opportunity, Sammit's back, straight back in the driver's seat. Let's go for a track lap. He's gonna take him around the back. Take him around the back. Around the back.
Boy, no skids in the pits, mate.
These traction bars are pretty bad, man.
Oh, it fits right in. What a weapon. Out of the 3 cars, best car.
I feel like I'm raining on their parade. So many nice cars and full blocking the view to the wagon. AU! I made some custom anti-tramp bars, adjustable like bars with heim joints at either end that go to the chassis and then push on the bottom of the diff that you can tension, so the diff can't rotate like that when you're doing a skid and give you an axle tramp. I don't know what's going on. I loaded the crap out of it. Might have like cranked the diff too much, and now it's just like you're on ice. Probably not a bad thing. Might be able to like click third in this now, but I don't know. It's a bit weird. It's a bit sketch. Makes some weird noises. I'll try it first. If it's undrivable, I'll jack it up and back them off.
This is my ride home tonight.
Yes, this is your way home. So let's blow it up. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball. Now I never fumble. I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball. Now I never fumble. I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now. Told him on the lay. I've been moving, dog. Yeah, I'm on the way. I don't hear the talk. Don't care what they say. I don't got no patience. I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it. Running up all these digits. And I've been in the gym. I've been up doing minutes. I just put in that work. Put them in Philly business. And I see through the face. Yeah, I just burning bridges. Feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball. Now I never fumble. I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple.
He broke it already. I knew this would happen. Nah, so we had this happen at one of the Drift X events. I think even on the other side. So something to do with the mechanism inside and the sprang and the thang and the kang must have fallen off. And so I think Ben Jenkins probably just tightened it. It only gets you so far, so I'm hoping the pads aren't completely destroyed. Loosen all the way off, put the mechanism thang back in, and then it should be in. But you don't need a handbrake to drift anyway.
Fix it, Darcy.
It'll teach him some good habits for his next FD. Less handbrake, more power.
No, more send.
Real drifters don't need handbrakes.
Oh my God, are you working on your own car?
Yeah, I'm forced to.
Oh.
My mechanic has been stolen by a stupid guest driver. Now I have to get the screwdriver and screws out.
You're doing something nice. You've got him over here, giving him a car, and now you have to work on your own car.
I know, what is this? Yeah! Get my hands on it.
Oh no!
For no reasons.
So what's going on, Jace?
No. It's nothing of importance. Just trying to put a side skirt on. Makes me feel insecure. My side skirt's flapping around in the WAN. I haven't even driven yet, and I've already lost my
no!
My weather shield. I just had to buy a whole new set to replace one. So at least I got a spare. Because the car's perfect.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it. Nothing to see here.
I might head out in a second.
Okay.
See if I can get some walls. It's a bit hectic at the start of the night, so I want to let it calm down a little bit. So hectic. Yeah, a little bit hectic. He's causing paths and stuff, so it's making it more hectic.
Everyone's looking at me. It feels weird.
As if you don't normally get that.
It's so different.
There's a rookie in the block. He's getting nervous.
Alright. Oh, you're gonna go out?
Yes.
How do you adjust the handbrake when we're ready to go out?
Gonna slap your own door?
Yeah, slap my own door.
Yeah.
Funnily enough, I haven't actually driven with it, I don't think. The wall, a bit smoky. Yeah, almost went into the wall. I follow you. I'm driving, not retarded.
diff setup feels good. I'm trying to drive with Sammit here. I'm rejecting everyone.
What's up? This thing's fun.
How good is it? Handbrake better?
So much better.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm very not warmed up, but we'll send it anyway.
Am I chasing you?
Yeah.
Alright. Show me the line.
I'll give it a shot.
Alright.
It's slippery. I didn't check tire pressure. Give it right.
Alright, we'll be right.
Cat line. Yeah, I did a bit of a junk line. Went to go send it in. Didn't really kick out. I think.
Was it?
I think a baby scraper.
I didn't see any.
No, it wasn't on the nudge bar because it was perfectly 90. That's why.
Need some on the back.
Need to be more like 75 degrees to get on the right on the nudge bar. You need one scrape right on the very middle of the back.
The wheel for? Just to get him to sign the inside. It's gonna be sick.
He's not even going to do it on the face. So I said, sign on the face, then clear car. He's doing it on the inside.
I don't know if I can do it on the face. Bit scary. You better sign the inside of my wheel.
I definitely can. Anywhere particular?
No, just whatever you want to roll.
What is it? That's a race?
28.
Okay.
So cool, man. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
The night is well and truly underway. There's people everywhere. It's a big one, and we're going to try to sneak out for a couple of laps in the AU. See how she goes. Let's do it. A couple of laps and maybe a couple more later on, but yeah, it's pretty chaotic.
Maybe 20 metres.
Yeah, look,
having dramas.
it's chaos. Car's like mega slippery. There's something at my foot, but it's fine.
Don't know what's going on.
Let's see if we can make it work. Oh, it's just skidding. It's not going anywhere. Oh, something is terribly broken. I think my tram bars are no good.
Oh, that sounds bad.
It won't step out. And no! I think we need to have a look at that. the other way.
Interesting. Best car on track.
Oh, without a doubt. It's not even a competition. Hey Oz! Ridley, why are you parked there? Couple fine tweaks to this setup and we'll be in FD in no time. FD ready. Oh.
Backie comp time. Oh heck, that was scary. This setting up a thumbnail. We don't do that.
YouTubeception going on. What's going on? So that's a wrap. A big wrap. A big wrap. Big wrap. Everyone's gone. It's calming down now finally. How did you go?
Epic night, man. I love this event. The vibe's just so good. It's literally like in Japan, but not. It's great.
Well, that's the idea.
Yeah.
That's what we try and do.
I'm sorry I broke like multiples of your cars too. Apparently, the AU Falcon, the axle was broken. I was just driving around with a broken axle.
Was broken. You broke it.
I think it was like that
definitely
from the
G'ing
start.
up on the way home. Kicking that clutch, don't care.
And then the wastegate on this thing was just stuck open, so it was fun. It was good. Still, great fun.
Well, you kept the 33 one piece. So.
Dude, that thing is nice. I can't, like, it felt good driving that.
I'm shattered because that's was supposed to be nice. But Jassy.
Sorry, I didn't mean to break your prized piece.
He's real upset about it.
I argue that you broke it. You twisted the diff with these tram bars.
This guy. Who invited him?
Anyway, it was a sick event.
Yeah, thanks for coming, everybody. It was really good to meet you all.
Thank you for coming.
No, thank you for inviting me.
It was a good time.
It was a really good time. I'm going to definitely be back again soon.
I'll have to return the favour in Japan too.
Yeah, definitely. Come to EBC, Bangors.
Yes. I'll show you how to start an FT Japan as well.
All right, yep, sounds good. Yep. Show me how not to spin out.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, we won't stop. Say you're looking for the real, we the one stop. We going non-stop. Yeah, we won't stop. Say you're looking for the real, we the one stop.
Check. King, I'm working, that dollar twerking, this money certain. Long as I'm observing, I stay in focus and